This is the Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and enable the nearby share function on this device. First of all, you gotta swipe downwards from the right part of the status bar in order for the control center to be launched. Now we will try to find the nearby shortcut among the control center shortcuts. It is right over here, as you can see. If you cannot look it up, just edit the layout by tapping on the icon that I've just tapped on. And from the list of available toggles, find the nearby share shortcut and drag it to the, or not drag it, my bad. Tap on this plus sign over here. Alrighty, so once you, you have dealt with the shortcut preparations, should I say, just tap and hold onto it. At the following page, switch this toggle on, then tap on the add or verify option and agree. After that, make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled as well. It is a very important step. Set the device visibility to the mode that you would like to use it in. So I'll go with everyone. You can also change the device name. For example, I'll go with Hardy's 12 Lite. Choose the data usage, or the how the files will be transferred exactly, through mobile data, Wi-Fi, or without internet, which kind of means through Bluetooth. And switch on or switch off notifications, whatever. So let me quickly take this Poco phone and send something through this function, and I will try to receive it on this end. So I'll open the where is it? The gallery app. Let's say I'll go with this file, share, nearby share. It will now identify this device. Here it is. Then we'll tap on it, accept on the receiver side. Now choose where we would like to send it to. I'll go to the view photos, and here it is. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.